Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making a beef macaroni and cheese. It's got crushed tomatoes and cheddar cheese, noodles, and ground beef, and it's easy and it sounds delicious. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great week. So without further ado, let's get started. For my beef macaroni and cheese, I'll need 1 pound of pasta, and I'm using this rotini, and I will be cooking that. I'll need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, whatever you need to fry your chopped onion and your garlic. You'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, a large can of crushed tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, and you'll need 1 teaspoon each of dried basil, cumin, and oregano. And I'll also need 2 to 3 cups of grated cheddar cheese. First of all, you'll need to brown your ground beef. And the original recipe said to use your oil and saute your onion and your garlic. But I decided just to put my onion and garlic with my ground beef because that's the way I usually cook it. And you can also add a green pepper if you want, but I did not have any green pepper. But you want to just pour in your onion with your ground beef as well as your garlic and just brown it. And I also usually add in my salt and pepper when I'm browning my ground beef. Once you finish browning your ground beef, you want to drain off all the excess grease. You can tell it's been a while since I've been here when I forget to cut on my camera. But all I did was in a large bowl, I mixed my ground beef, my cooked pasta, and all my other ingredients, except for the cheese, which I sprinkled over the top. I put just a little bit more salt and pepper because of the tomatoes, and then I baked it at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until everything was warmed through and the cheese was nice and gooey. Okay, now it's time to try this beef macaroni and cheese. And it looks good. It's still hot though. And I started this video off with a bang, forgetting to cut it on in the middle. But at least this was an easy one. Easy to explain. Let's see what it tastes like. That's really good. And it's so easy. Got that tomatoey taste. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope you have a great, wonderful week, and I hope you take care. So until next time, bye y'all.